Hello all, today in this video we are going to make how to reverse an array with an inbuilt function. So this is a continuation video only. So within the previous video we would have made how to reverse an array by using a temporary array, then by using pointers, then by using a recursive function, and then by making swapping. So for this we can just make an overview of the previous series which we have made. So if you need in detail means you can just view the previous series which we have made. Just an overview means this video is enough. So this is the final video for reverse array series. So with the, for within this reverse array, so first we have made by use of the temporary array. For that we are making a definition. Within the definition we are making a temporary array to store the elements in the array in a reversed order. Then we are making a for loop to copy the elements within this reversed array. Then again to copy back to the original array we are using another for loop. Then by making use of this definition in the main function, we are making the reverse operation. So here you may see after reversing what is the output for the array, and before reversing what is the output. So in every code we will be making use, that is every functions like temporary array, pointers, recursion, swapping and all, we will make use of this for loop, because this array is not having one element, is having more than one element. So all the elements in this array has to be reversed. For that we are making use of a reverse the for loop. This for loop works till all the elements within the array are reversed. Then we are making use of the pointer. So within this definition, this within this also we are making a definition. So within the definition we are having a condition, that is this left array it should be less than the right array. For that once it is like that, we have to swap the elements, and then we are swapping the elements by using incrementing the left array pointer and decrementing the right pointer. Then we are making use of a main function. Within the main function we are making use of this definition, and by this definition we are getting the output after reversing and before reversing. And also we are here everything we will be using a loop to just all the elements within the array should get reversed. Next we are working with swapping. So within the swapping also we are making use of a definition. So within the definition we will make use of a temporary array, and we are giving some conditions for that within the definition. Then by using this definition we are making to print what is the array output before reversing and after reversing. Here also we are making use of a for loop. Then we worked with the recursion. So here we are making two definitions. So one definition is by using the left pointer and right pointer, and previously also we would have used left pointer and right pointer, but here it is the condition there is left should be less than or, but here the left should be greater than or equal to or, and the swap condition is same only. So then we will be returning the reverse array recursion. This definition we are making use of. Then the second definition, that is reverse array. Then by using the second definition, that is reverse array definition, we are making a main function, and within this we are making to display what is the array before reversing and what is the array after reversing. And for that we are making use of a loop, and within the loop we are printing this array. So that is before reversing and after reversing. So without using all this pointer, swapping, temporary function and all, we are also having a inbuilt function. So within this inbuilt function also we are calling within a definition. You may notice the inbuilt function is just again use of the reverse function. So there is already a reverse function. So while making use of this, you can just give before reversing what is the array report, and after reversing what is the array report. So in the print here we are we no need to make use of the for loop. because in the inbuilt function itself they will have worked with for loop. So here you there is no need for the for loop, and just we are printing what is the output we are going to get. So this is the output for the array before reversing and after reversing. Thank you. Likewise, if you are interested in knowing some other demo videos means, please let us know in the comment box. So if we are aware of it means, we will definitely make an video regarding it. Thank you.